Hello, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss Ansoff Matrix. Ansoff Matrix was developed by Igor Ansoff. It was published in the Harvard Business Review. It is commonly being taught in business schools and it has been used as an effective strategic management tool extensively in the corporate world. According to this matrix, a company can achieve growth through varying what is being sold, which is product growth, or who is it sold to, which means market growth. So if we combine the two elements, we achieve four different growth strategies. The first one is market penetration strategies, which means selling existing products in the existing markets and achieving growth. Or you can also achieve growth through selling new products in the existing markets. This is known as product development strategy. Or you can sell the existing products in a new market, which is known as market development strategy. Or you can choose to sell new products in a new market, which is known as diversification strategy. Um, we're going to discuss each of these four strategies in detail. The first one is market penetration strategy. In market penetration strategy, a firm uses its existing products in the existing markets. And the aim is to increase the market share. So how do companies increase market share with the same products in the same market? They can do so by decreasing the prices. They can run promotional campaigns. They can use extensive distribution channels. So the idea is to attain more from the existing customers with the same products. Now, if you talk about telecommunication companies, specifically here in Pakistan, these companies cater to the same market and they often employ a market penetration strategy. They offer promotional discounts, introductory prices, and they make large scale distribution efforts to increase their market share. So, this is market penetration strategy. The second is product development strategy. The firm develops a new product to cater to the existing market. Now, this move typically involves extensive research and development and expansion of the company's product range. The product development strategy is employed when firms they have a strong understanding of their current market and they are also able to provide innovative solutions to meet the need of the existing customers. This strategy can be employed in a number of ways. The companies can invest in research and development to develop new products so that they can cater to the existing market. Lego has reached such enormous growth through research and development. So they work only on research and development and they create new products. On the basis of that, this product development strategy, the company has achieved such enormous growth. Uh, but companies can also acquire either a competitor or it can merge resources or form strategic partnerships to gain access to each partner's distribution channels or brands. This is what Kraft Foods did when they acquired Cadbury in 2005. Um, Automotive companies, they are creating hybrid cars, electric cars. Why are they doing so? Because they are pursuing this product development strategies. They know that the needs of the consumers are changing. Current consumers are becoming more environmental conscious, so they use their research and development resources to develop products in such a way that are more appealing to the consumer needs of the future. Then comes market development strategy. Market development strategy is when a firm enters a new market with existing products. Um, when we talk about new markets, it can be domestic markets, foreign markets, or even consumer segments. For market development strategy to be successful, there must be profitable target market in the new market. And also, the company must have the required expertise and technology that it can leverage into the new market. Um, this is how Adidas and Nike they aim to achieve growth in China, because they knew China had a large market for their products. So they expanded their business operations to China. So they went to a new market with the same products. This is market development strategy. And then comes the diversification strategy. Diversification strategy is when a firm enters a new market with new products. Now, this strategy, it may seem the riskiest, which it is, because both the market and the product are new. But the diversification strategy, it may offer the greatest potential for increased revenues, because it opens up an entirely new revenue stream. Um, Now, there are two sort of diversification: related diversification. Related diversification is when there are potential synergies to be realized between the existing business and the new business, or the new market as well. For example, a leather shoe company that starts a line of leather wallets, it is related diversification. Unrelated diversification is when there are no potential synergies in the existing business and the new business. So, for instance, Virgin Airlines decided to start Virgin Cola, and there were no potential synergies between the two. This was an example of unrelated diversification. So, a company can achieve growth through these four strategies: market penetration strategies, through promotional schemes, price reductions, distribution channels. You can increase your market share within the same market, through the same products. Product development strategy: new products through R&D in the same markets. Market development strategy: entering a new market with the same products. Or diversification strategy, which can be of two types: related diversification or unrelated diversification. So this was the Ansoff matrix.